Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies Joshua Weissman style. First, gather your essential ingredients for the perfect dough. You'll need 400 grams of all-purpose flour, 8 grams of baking soda, and 6 grams of salt for the dry mix. For sweetness, prepare 350 grams of dark brown sugar and 100 grams of granulated white sugar. Don't forget 225 grams of melted unsalted butter, 2 whole eggs plus 2 egg yolks, and 12 grams of vanilla extract. Next, let's get mixing. Whisk your dry ingredients together in one bowl. In another, cream the sugars with the melted butter until well combined. Incorporate the eggs and vanilla into the butter mixture, then gradually add the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Finally, fold in about 200 grams of your favorite chopped dark chocolate. Wrap the dough and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for flavor development. Now for the baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your baking sheets with parchment paper. Scoop your dough onto the sheets, leaving ample space between each cookie. Bake for 6 minutes, then remove the tray and firmly drop it on your counter. This pan drop method helps create those signature nooks and crannies. Return them to the oven for another 4 minutes, pan drop once more, then transfer to a wire rack to cool. To achieve truly amazing cookies, consider a few final touches. A sprinkle of flaky sea salt on the warm cookies elevates their flavor profile beautifully. Remember to let them cool completely on a wire rack. This allows them to set properly and develop that perfect chewy texture. For more great tips and deals, including how to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.